Moving forward with Wales Peatland Action. What we already know. And what's new moving forward. We know 4% of Wales is peatland. Our peatland holds 30% of our land carbon. 90% of that peatland is damaged. Damaged peatlands release harmful greenhouse gases. Healthy, restored peatlands boost nature, store carbon, and mitigate flooding and fire spread. Wales Peatland Action restored 3,600 hectares in the first 5 years. So what's next? Wales is upscaling peatland expertise and restoration. Here's what to expect by 2030. 3 times more peatland restored annually. A boost for nature by targeting the habitats of key species. More green jobs and contracting opportunities in rural areas. Sharing restoration best practice in Wales and beyond. More restoration funding for landowners and land managers. Collaborative approach by all partners, delivering peatland restoration through Welsh Government funding. Enhanced monitoring, evidence, reporting and accountability through NRW management. Peatland expertise shared for policy and planning. Guidance on peatland protection and management. Greater detail reported publicly on the Wales Peatland map. More partnership and public engagement to ensure peatlands are there for future generations. Thank you to the public and partners who contributed to Wales Peatland Action's success to date. Your support will continue to make the difference in the next transformative 5 years, defined by ambition, collaboration and scale to secure a resilient future for the small but mighty peatlands of Wales. And if you're a land manager or landowner, become part of Wales Peatland Action and let the National Peatland Action Programme support you.